Cool car envy.
All right, Cool Car Envy, and we're back with another rusty adventure. We found some old Fords, we found an abandoned building that you won't believe, and there was even another mystery vehicle behind it. Stay tuned at the end for that. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. It really helps us out a lot. And without further ado, let's get right into this one. I'm not going to narrate the whole video, but just take a walk with us and enjoy these rusty old Ford pickup trucks and get a look at the engines and the interiors with us, and then check out the old abandoned building we found. Really scary. Out with my dad and my daughter on this one. Thanks for stopping by. Enjoy. All right, so you're watching Cool Car Envy, and we are out in the field getting you guys the footage, the rusty old cars that you want to see that no one else is showing you. Thanks for watching the video, and we really appreciate if you hit subscribe to help the channel grow. We're doing everything cars. Stay tuned for more fun, and we'll see you on the next one.